Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to download music directly from YouTube as an MP3 file. Now, whether you're on an iPhone, Android, or a computer, you can download free music from YouTube to be used in videos, etc. I'll show you exactly how to do it. On any device, open up a web browser like Safari or Google Chrome. And in the URL, we're going to type in studio.youtube.com. Keep in mind, everybody with a YouTube account has a YouTube studio. So type in studio.youtube.com and hit go. Tap on Continue in Studio at the bottom if it asks you. And now within YouTube Studio, let's zoom in to the left. Find the music icon to the left. Tap on that. Press play next to any song that you want to listen to. And if you like that, let's download it. So select the song and to the right, tap on Download. Tap on Download in the dialog box and you can see it has been downloaded. Now let's find where it is. Exit out of here and swipe down. Type in Files and search for the Files app. Tap on Browse at the bottom right a couple of times. Tap on My iPhone and then tap on Downloads. There is that song that I just downloaded from YouTube Studio. I can press play and I can listen to it, and then I can tap on Share at the bottom right. I can send this to someone, I can text it, I can save it. Of course, I can also bring it into a video editor like CapCut or InShot. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. Thanks, guys.